We're on. Welcome back to another episode of No Time to Be Hungry. Check-in page here. We are at a popular restaurant here in That Phanom called Go All Night. What we've come here for is the Khao Tom. Khao Tom really in Thailand is a comfort food that's eaten late at night. It's not really filling and it's warm and it helps you sleep. But here you usually add something to it, whether it's a vegetable or a type of meat. But what I'm really after today is a dish called
Pot Kai Eeaw Maa.
She almost forgot. She almost forgot. We're going to be ordering several things today, but this is a Pot Kai dish with the 100-year-old egg, right?
100.
Well, what, 1,000-year-old? I don't know. It's round and it tastes kind of funny, but they call it
Kai Eeaw Maa.
Kai Eeaw Maa. And what is Eeaw in Thai language? So you know it's going to be good, right? Anyway, we are waiting for the cook to show up. We're going to order some food and let's see what's cooking. Soy Mafia is going to join us for dinner tonight, along with the rest of the family. Man, hang on, she's ordering something. Anyway, this is the man. นี่คืออะไรครับ
Kai Eeaw Maa.
Kai Eeaw Maa. I always call this the Easter egg, and this is what's going to be in the dish tonight. Is that? And the chef has arrived.
YouTube, so they can see herself.
We're actually really early here. They're open, but this place doesn't usually have any customers till usually around like 10 o'clock at night. Yeah, there is a little bit of nightlife here, just about every town in Thailand, but when everybody's done with the bars, they usually come here and they could sit here until really late at night. Sometimes she says like 4 o'clock in the morning, but this is a very late night place, but we get to be here and annoy her as our first customer. There it is.
เนาะนั่งไปนั่ง
That's
ไป
what we came for,
มัน
huh?
คือ
And the
บัดนี้
gao
เอา
tong.
ใส่น้ำให้พ่อแม่กับคุณเพิ่นก็ดีกินไปกินมันเสย
You know what they say, if you can't handle the heat, stay out of the kitchen. I'm just gonna stay out of her way, let her cook, and get some of this
ชิมมันเองชื่อดำ
ma eeaw.
ทอด
What is it?
เพิ่นไปหน่อยไข่เยี่ยวม้า
Kai Eeaw Maa. So when I first saw this crazy looking egg thing, I thought to myself, I'm never going to eat that. I'm never going to eat that because it does not look like anything that you should eat. And the first time I tried it, it was like, wow, it's actually really good. You just can't really look at it because it's not that sexy, but it's very good.
ซอสเอาไว้ดิ
อร่อย So our next dish has arrived. What is that?
คะน้าปลาเค็ม
Kana pa kem.
Chinese broccoli with salt fish
Okay, there you go. Chinese broccoli with salty fish.
ปลาบ้านนี้บ้านมาเลยเดี๋ยวไปกินกันแมงยำทอดกินมันแห้งเลยตอนทอดกินมันแห้ง
Let's give it a try with the Thai chili pepper.
ได้ทุกคนตายบอก
Well, this is our next dish, which is called.
ผัดผักบุ้ง
What is it in English? It's a morning glory, you said?
yeah morning glory
All right. That's going to be good with the
ข้าวต้ม
gao tong.
โอ้ย
The one good, well, a lot of good things about Asian food, but one really good thing is it comes with a lot of fiber, usually a lot of vegetables, and
นี่แหละ
very healthy.
บ่ต้องเนี่ย
Now we have our gao tong. Gao tong is basically just overcooked rice, overboiled rice. They just take some rice out of the pot, put it back in a pot of water, and just kind of make it a little mushy. Gao tong's also good in the morning for people that aren't feeling well, people that don't have any teeth, usually the old elderly people, but for me, I kind of like to sit on the beach and eat gao tong with some chopped pork, and it's pretty good. I don't know. It's a I'm more of a light breakfast person.
กินอะไรขนาด
So basically, we just put whatever we want in our gao tong, and the gao tong is really hot. So, but you can dip your vegetables or whatever in there.
แซ่บกับมือปลาเบิ่งเนาะ
Very hot.
ร้อนร้อนเดี๋ยวไม่ไหวมันเย็นโอ้โหลวกไปแล้วปลามันเย็นตรงนั้น
So if you like your food really hot, this is really hot.
hot temperature ร้อนยังไม่ได้
Well,
โอ้มาแล้วสุด
our next dish has arrived.
ต้มจืด
What is it? Tom jut?
แกงจืด
Gang jut. Mafia's made this at the house
หมูสับ
a couple times.
เราทำตาม
Aloy mai?
ด้วยมาก
Aloy.
ชอบอาหารเด็ด
Top.
ชอบกินอาหารจีนไชนีส
I may have forgot to mention, but this is mostly Chinese food, Chinese style.
ยำเกี๊ยมฉ่าย
Here's our next dish.
ผักกาดดองยำเกี๊ยมฉ่าย
What is it?
ยำผักกาดดองเกี๊ยมฉ่าย
Looks interesting. Looks very spicy and oniony.
เมื่อกี้ยังไม่ได้
Well, let's get a taste of some of this awesome looking soup with the awesome looking mushroom. 2 different kind of
จะ
mushrooms.
เอาไปเลยเด้อจะใส่ยังใส่โลดเด้อ
ชื่อจัดสภาพกันเพราะมนุษย์
อร่อย
เจ้าสัมพันธ์
เป็นเจ้าอันนี้ของเจ้า
จนยังมีใส่ไหมกินเหล้ากระเทยย่างก้อนบาทนึงก็ไปที่ถุง
ฟ้าหลาชี
บัดตายแล้วก็ใจลงหายเป็น30,000 40,000พี่เอ้ยพี่อยากใส่ยังใส่เลยเด้อ
แม่ผิวยากแล้ว
Pickled flavor.
ยกขึ้นเห็นบอก
เอาขึ้น
Well, I'm pretty comfortable with our comfort food. Everybody's sitting here watching late night soap operas on TV.
มวนประเด็กประหลาด
And
นั่งมันนั่งไม่ว่าเป็นตะบุ
it's a good night here in That Phanom. Drinking a little bit of Sang Som rum, not much, but in Thailand everything is whiskey. So Sang Som, if you didn't know, actually rum, but they like to call it whiskey. So anyway, very sweet, made with cane sugar. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm full. Most of this is not very fattening food, so it's just gonna probably go right through you. So, but very, very good. Aloy.
เอ๊ยยังอยู่
This place won't be busy until probably 10, 11 o'clock at night. I think we killed it. That was pretty good. All that together was like $40 US, including 1 beer and 1 bottle of Sang Som whiskey, and probably like 5 buckets of ice.
ใช่เจ้าพอดี
4 sodas. Yeah, good stuff. Anyway, Tung Gal.
อันนี้กับแม่เบอร์เดย์
It's nobody's
มือใดวัน
birthday.
ศุกร์นะมือนี้วันศุกร์อีสานค่ะ เดือนนี้นะตามบัตรประชาชนเนี่ยวันเกิดคนได้วันที่18วันที่18สิได้
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of No Time to Be Hungry. We're standing in front of the Thailand famous Wat Phra That Phanom. You guys got to check it out if you come here. Anyway, guys, if you liked the video, please don't forget to click the like button, subscribe. We'll see you on the next eating adventure. Are you hungry? Khao Tom. Nap time. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Bye.